Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do some addition in Excel. There's a couple of ways that you can do this. So say you've got some numbers over here. Oops. There. Go with those numbers. A couple of ways you can do this is you can just type your equal sign and go through and select each cell and just do your plus sign like that. You got all those cells, and then you just hit enter when you're ready to calculate it. The other way that you can do it is hit your equal sign and then type sum, and this is an Excel function to do it. And then you throw in a parenthesis and you can just highlight those cells and hit enter. That way you don't have to go and click through on each of them. Now if you just need to do a few of those, then the best way to do it is just select the ones that you want to do. And there you go. Now for if you need to subtract anything, there's no function like the sum, that's a function. There's no function for subtracting anything. So you would just have to go through and select what you want to do and hit the cell and then hit minus and subtract that one and so on. So that's the only downside for that. Let me know what other questions you have.